Beneath the tranquil surface of Christmas Island lies a haunting enigma that captivates the world, an annual phenomenon of red crabs, Gecarcoidea natalis, that can only be described as nature's own thriller. As the moon waxes and monsoon rains loom, a tidal wave of crimson crawlers emerges from the island's depths. In a spine-tingling display, they surge through forests, conquering roads and even human settlements in their relentless march towards the shoreline. Amidst the eerie sounds of rustling leaves and countless clawed feet, the crab's tenacity in the face of daunting challenges creates a mesmerizing yet unsettling spectacle on this remote, enigmatic island.